Hey guys, I am super excited to review for you today the Furoomate self-cleaning litter box. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a nice close look, demoing it for you, and getting into all the different features so you can decide whether or not this litter box would be right for you. First, let's begin by setting it up. Honestly, I've reviewed a whole lot of different self-cleaning litter boxes. This one is one of the easiest to install. Pour in the cat litter, being sure not to exceed that max line. You'll see it once you're up nice and close, but there's just a little line right around that liner. Now down here, you're going to remove the waste drawer. It actually comes with the trash bag pre-installed, but super easy to do once you need to change it. It'll just go right around those grooves. You do get quite a lot of extra waste bags with the litter box, as well as an extra screen if needed. Push that right back in. Get this ramp in place. Helps your cat get up and also reduces any litter tracking. And now it's time to plug it in. The port is right here on the back. There's a switch on the back here that you'll flip. Now let's take a gander at our control panel. In manual mode, basically you'll choose when to scoop and empty. I like staying in auto. Once your cat leaves, it'll automatically clean after around 5 minutes. There are infrared sensors that detect that. Long pressing the lock button will lock all the buttons on the control panel except for the pause button. Long pressing both lock and pause for 3 seconds will unlock all the buttons again. And now, as you would guess, scoop will manually clean out the box. Empty empties the whole litter box. Great when you need to do a deep clean after a little while. And then pause will allow you to pause any functions that might be occurring, scooping or emptying. After 5 minutes, it'll resume like normal. So now I'm gonna go ahead and scoop by coming to the lock and pause buttons. I'm gonna press and hold 3 seconds. Now I'm gonna press manual. That way I can press these other 2 buttons. Now press scoop and we'll see it in action. And now it's all done and it leveled out very nicely at the end of the process. And now for some features. This litter box has an amazing no wash design. It's very seamless, very rounded. Just taking a damp cloth, you can easily wipe it down, keep it clean. The open top provides for very comfortable movement, and it is quite large as well, with a litter capacity of up to 6 liters. Neither too shallow nor too deep. The liner does a great job at keeping the litter from sticking to it as well. It's made of a very high quality, soft, smooth silicone, that liner. And I love the safety features it has in place. There are 4 different weight sensors as well as 2 infrared sensors. It'll stop as soon as it detects a cat entering the device, giving you total peace of mind. Here's a closer peek at that control panel inside the drum, that semi-spherical design. And here's that back port in case you're curious. And now for a true demo, this time it's the real deal. We got some cat goodies. Remember, after your cat leaves, it'll automatically clean it out after 5 minutes, and this is what will happen. And all clean, no cat goodies in sight. Let's take a peek down here at the drawer. And there they are, perfectly captured. And here is my cute little 9-pound cat. Meet little Miss Mochi. You'll see she has plenty of room inside this litter box, and frankly, she loves it. She gets such a kick out of automatic litter boxes. And I know that she enjoys all of that space. It is seriously perfect for her, and I think that's gonna about sum it up. I would highly recommend this self-cleaning litter box from Furoomate. It does exactly as it promises to do. It automatically cleans up any of your cat's goodies, either empty or scoop. I feel like there's so many other really complex automatic litter boxes these days, and this is just such a simple one. It does the trick. Frankly, a lot of the time, you don't need all of those other frills. I mean, come on, you just want something that will self-clean and save you time, and this does just that. Gives you so many waste bags, nice large capacity, so easy to clean when needed. Seriously, this litter box will not let you down. Give it a try, and I hope you and your fur baby love it just as much as I and mine have.